Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews, guys. Today I am finalizing a fix that stops your phone being connected to photos and your photos being transferred. I had a previous fix in a video which was more of a workaround. However, this fix is your phone based, so it's not computer based, it's phone based. So without further ado, let's get this started. Now, I'd like to let you guys know that this channel completely survives on your subscriptions and likes. Please do subscribe and like if you want to see more quality content. It's for free, it doesn't cost you anything. Now, first of all, what I want you to do is go into your phone and go into settings. Now, from settings, what I want you guys to do is go into general, go down to reset. And what I want you guys to do is reset network settings, okay? So that's all it is. Once you've reset all your network settings, you should be able to pair your phone with your Mac or whatever and transfer your photos through the wire. All right, let me know in the comments if this worked for you and how you find it. Thanks so much for watching. Take good care. Bye-bye.